There's nothing worse than going on holiday and forgetting a crucial item that you need.
And when you try to buy the item on holiday, it ends up costing you double or even triple the price that you would pay at home. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my holiday packing tips. If you want to see more, keep watching. My first holiday essential tip would be to only pack what you need. So that means that you'll have to try on each item before you pack. Makeup is so important on holiday. You want to have that summer glow, but you don't want to have too much makeup on your skin. My favourite product to use on holiday is the Benefit High Beam Highlighter. This product is excellent for giving you that glowy, dewy look. You just place it on top of your makeup and pat it in gently, and it gives you a really nice holiday shimmery glow. Another one of my holiday essential items is my eyeshadow palette. I'm currently using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. It has a huge range of colours that will go with any outfit that you wear. However, I like to use the warmer shades on holiday, the oranges and the browns. These colours are perfect when you're creating that no makeup look or creating a really subtle makeup look. Another holiday essential is your eyebrow palette. I think it speaks for itself. Your eyebrows shape your face, so it's important to make sure you have a decent eyeshadow sculpting kit. Another holiday essential is the hairbrush. No one wants to be wandering around the airport or the aeroplane with bed hair. Don't forget to pack your brush or your comb. Flexi rods are perfect to use on holiday. They give you a soft bouncy curl without the heat. Make sure your hair is slightly damp and place the rods onto your hair and leave for an hour or so, and you will be surprised with the body your hair will have. Another holiday essential is the ever faithful can of hairspray. It will hold an updo and it will hold a curl. Don't leave home without it. This is another holiday essential for your hair. It gives your hair a healthy glow along with protecting your hair from the holiday sun. This extremely important item is a necessity. This should be used at all times, especially on your face. Remember to reapply if you go into the pool or you go into the sea. Another holiday essential are the sunglasses. They are a crucial item for any summer sun holiday. Tracksuits are perfect to travel in as they're so comfortable. This tracksuit is by Champion and it's from JD Sports and it was £30. It's so important to pack smart on holiday. Select outfits that you can dress up and down by adding a jacket, heels or sandals. Always try on your outfits before you pack them. This way you know for sure if you're going to wear the items. These jumpsuits are light and are extremely comfortable. You can wear them over your swimwear or simply just on an excursion. You can dress them down with a denim jacket and some sliders, or dress them up with a nude heel, a belt and some simple jewellery. Remember to pack some smart clothing because some restaurants on holiday have a strict dress code. These high-waisted cotton trousers are from Primark and they were £15. These trousers are perfect if you're going on an excursion or if you're going to get involved in any activities on holiday. They're from Primark and they are £15. I always include a pair of jeans and a pair of leggings just in case the weather isn't as hot as expected. I also pack one of my duster coats in my suitcase, again just in case it's a little bit chilly. These light coats are perfect to take away with you on holiday. I hope you found my holiday tips useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos from me. Thank you for watching.